Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, I definitely think the wave 3 is over. If the wave 3 is over, then we are very likely to make a very overlapping corrective pattern, probably lasting at least 8 months or more, which I think will be a wave 4, and then I think eventually we will push back up, at least to the previous highs for a wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, nice big impulsive move down. I definitely think this is a wave A, which I'm not even really convinced the wave A is over yet. I think eventually we are going to make like a wave B, which will be a pretty big move to the upside, probably a correction to the wave A, and probably down again for a wave C. But I believe we are in a correction right now, wave 4, and corrections are very overlapping, corrective, overlapping patterns. So, I mean, I would expect to see a pretty messy overlapping pattern for probably at least 6 to 8 months. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, nice big impulsive move down. Yes, we have been going up for a few days now, but I definitely do not think the trend is over. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3. I still think we're in a wave forward. I still think at a sub point we're going to push down again for a wave 5, and this is still all a wave A of that wave 4 correction. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here. I'm looking for a nice move to the upside. I'd like to see 3 waves. That kind of looks more like a trend right now. But if I do see a Fibonacci bounce, if I do see an engulfing move to the downside with a breaker structure, I definitely will take that as a short for the continuation of the downtrend. Probably the end of a wave 4, probably go down for a wave 5. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I am a swing trader, which means I'm patiently waiting for a Fibonacci bounce and an entry to go short. But really, ever since this thing broke structure to the upside way back here, anybody trading the 1 hour time frame and below definitely could have been trading to the long side over the last week and a half or so. I am personally waiting for a Fibonacci bounce to go short again. I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of these, at a Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move to the downside and preferably a break of structure. That will be my next sorting opportunity, probably the end of a wave 4 and probably go down again for a wave 5. I still think this is all a wave A of wave 4 on the much, much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.